Of all, thank you for clicking this video. In this video, we are going to
empowerment. So now time. So illegal types of work which are occur in our India most, and we know that corruption is that type of word which is say that very bad like behavior and
to make our education perfect. Make our education perfect.
0.009% fresh water. Therefore, we have to save the water.
Come here to learn English because you all know that what is the importance of English in our life.
Education is one of the society and world. It is very important of our.
First of all, thank you for clicking this video. In this video, we are going to discuss, we are going to crowd public speaking. It means they are the participant, and I have some cheats also. I also pick out the one cheats. It means you have to explain your topics with the motivation, with the expression, and with the also your body language, because it helps to you get more ideas to improve yourself. How can you improve yourself in the English? So I'm going to pick out from this cheats. Come here and pick out the cheats from this. Pick out the section. Whatever you want to choose. Okay. Whose name is this? Shahbaz. Okay. The first is Shahbaz. Your topic is also mentioned in that cheats, and you have to speak something about this topic. Okay. So start with the protocol also. Come on.
Hello everyone, this is Shahbaz here, and I'm the student of Ascent English Spoken Class Jahanabad, and now I'm going to tell you about the men empowerment. So we know that men are do struggle in their life, and they always practice to be a better man, because men are
Always suffer from something.
always suffer from something.
Choose this. Choose from this. Pick out from this. Okay. Whose name is this? Aditya Kumar. Or Aditya come first. Okay. Take your first and your mic also.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya. I am a student of Ascent Spoken Class. So today I have get opportunity to speak on a topic. So my topic is education system in Bihar. So now times education system of Bihar is very poor. So government do not focus on it, that there is very bad education systems. If in private schools education system are some good, but in government school the education system is very bad. So in government school there are many poor students study. So what they can do, so government have tried to improve education system of Bihar. So I also advise to improve the education system of Bihar. So they can also improve the infrastructure of.
Choose from this. Who is the lucky person? Next chance. So come here first. Come here and choose from this. Okay. Shivam. About the Shivam. Come fast. Okay.
Come on now, start and speak.
So good evening to everyone and also my teachers. Thank you. First of all, thank you for giving me this. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity.
Watch all the students also.
To say on the topic corruption.
Don't only watch camera, students also.
Corruption. So today my topic is corruption, and we all know that corruption is so illegal types of work which are occur in our India most, and we know that corruption is that type of word which if you say that you are a corrupt people, he will bad, very bad like behavior and very not good for you. It means to say that it is illegal work. Here the corruption is also said that corruption is occur in our India is too much as compared to other countries, because you seen and this is also occur in like in government sectors also. In government sector also, first of all you see that in our states, in our central level, many of corrupt works are occurred in our society and in our India also, because first you see in government, our government will also corrupt. Our government also and our, if you see in before or after the side of government, you see in many type of work like education work, like in official work, like in in hospitals, in many others that are related to government, that all are corrupted because they are under the power. Means to say that ki corruption means word means to say that power. He has power and he will corrupt the peoples, and also earn the money from that beggar peoples who have no more money to earn their life.
So thank you very much.
So thank you very much for this topic.
So and Mike also, okay, and whatever is written in your sheets, you have to speak on the topic. Come on.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Janvir, and today, according to me, first of all, we should focus on ourselves to make our education perfect. Make our education perfect because when you practice, mostly
Come
many
on,
people.
don't stand up on side. You have to walk करते रहना. Stop नहीं रहना. Come.
Because many people also have doubt on mathematics, so I will also suggest them to do practice. If they have any problem on that topic, then they have to revise that and also practice by solving the same questions. By that we can also make our mathematics good. And for other subjects, I will suggest to first of all we should learn how to pronounce the word perfectly. So if you go in any types of for giving speech, then while pronouncing perfectly any word, you will look like a professional person. So we should also revise for some topics, many important topics are also given in seminars and that type of thing. So we should also revise that. We should only we should keep knowledge in everything, for importance of water, because it is mostly happening in our world. That's all.
Topic is importance of water. Come on, with motivation also.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Riya. So today's my topic is the importance of water. We all know that water is very important for us.
Yes, go and speak.
Water is very important.
Walk fast.
So how can we save the water? Because there are 90%, there are 71%. There are 71% water on Earth and 0.009% fresh water. Therefore, we have to save the water, and also we don't have to cut the trees. So thank you.
No, so thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today my topic is about what is the importance of English in our life. So my opinion is on this topic is English is very important in our life. That's why you all are here. You all are come here to learn English, because you all know that what is the importance of English in our life. English is very important now generation, because without English we can't speak in a fluent way, because we can see that if we go in another country, then we can see that everyone is speaking in English, and on that time if we don't know how to speak in English, then we can't communicate with other people. On that time we can't take vegetable from market also, because on that time we don't know how to speak English. And with the help of English we can improve our confidence also. If you speak English with lots of people, then your confidence will definitely improve, and it become higher and higher due to practice.
Yes,
so practice is very most effective thing in spoken. If you do practice daily, then you can definitely improve your English.
Yes.
So English is dependent on practice, and if you learn English in a very daily basis and give time to English, because English need time, and if you give time to English, then it will give you profit. It will give you profit once day.
Monday क्या हो गया? Complete
And my second topic is how can I motivated to a student. So you should join classes in a daily basis, because lots of we can also see that lots of student is not joining classes in daily basis.
Why do you not join? Okay.
Can somebody tell me why people are not joining their classes?
Because our teacher who तुम ही बोलते रहो वो ठीक है क्वेश्चन करती है.
Okay, I'm telling. We should join our classes daily basis. You can also see me. I am getting late today, but and also I joined my class. I am not afraid with getting late, because if I started something, then I have to definitely do that work. If you leave that work, then you can't learn anything. If you want to learn something, then you have to do that thing. It's not matter it get late or it get started in a whenever time. Suppose if you are studying, if you are doing a study and your exam is also coming, and daily you are thinking that I have to do my study, I have lots of study and I have to do lots of study, and tomorrow I will do a study. Every day you think that tomorrow I will do a study, and that tomorrow will definitely never come. So you have to start your study now, because if you start today, then it will start. But if you think that I will start my study and tomorrow, it will never done. So thank you everyone.
Good, thank you, sir. Very good.
Good evening to all of you. This is me, Vikas Kumar. I am a student of SN Spoken Classes. First of all, thanks for sir for giving me a great opportunity. So I am going to tell about some topic. Topic is importance of education. Education is a foundation of individual to growth. Education is one of the society and world. It is very important of our.
Yes,
it is very important of we all life. Without education, you don't know how can visit to any another places. And if you and education is very important to us, like a
food, है ना? If we do not live without food, education is also like that. We can also we can't live without education, है ना?
without education.
We can't also survive without education.
In earth. Without education, we cannot visit in any best places.
Yes.
And if you know any idea how can talk about any people, then you can. You don't know, then you so feeling like a guilty.
Okay.